I am letter G. My sound is G. Say G. Meet my friends. Goat, goat, G, goat. Say G, goat. The initial sound of goat is G. What is it? Glass, glass, G, glass. Say G, glass. The initial sound of glass is G. Wow, I drink water in it. This is a gate. Gate. G, gate. The initial sound of gate is G. What a beautiful gate. Now let's learn the formation of letter G. This is letter G. It sounds G. Let's learn its formation. You will start from the dot. Make C go up, come down and make a tail. It's letter G. Look at the picture. Say got, glass and gate. The initial sound of got, glass and gate is G. Say G.
Please like, share and subscribe this channel for getting more.